Welcome to the video for how to register for a MyFTB account for tax professionals only. In this video, you will learn how to register for a MyFTB tax professional account using the PIN letter and the real-time verification paths. The first step in registering for a MyFTB account is to navigate to Franchise Tax Board's website at www.ftb.ca.gov. Then click the MyFTB account link on the top navigation ribbon. You can select the Create an Account link on the main page, or select the link on the left-hand panel for more information about registering. You must read the terms and conditions and electronically sign this page before proceeding. Check the boxes to proceed. Pay attention to the red asterisks as these denote required fields. Highlighted for this video, these fields must be completed prior to moving on to the next screen. It is very important that you read and understand the MyFTB terms and conditions. Failure to comply with these terms will result in the deactivation of your MyFTB account. As you begin to enter in your information, this registration is matched with prior information that was provided when you registered for your tax preparation credential. Your first and last name are required. This must be your name, not a firm name. Next, create a username and list your email address. Usernames must be unique. If it has been used before, you will receive an error. Your username will be used each time you log into MyFTB. It can only contain letters and numbers, and it must be between 4 and 17 characters long. The email you list must belong to you and cannot be used by another tax professional. Your email address may be used to activate your account and will be used to contact you regarding any activity on your account once it is active. Emails must not be shared. No other individual should be able to access the email you use to register. You must create a password. You will use this with your username each time you log into MyFTB. There are 3 different MyFTB account types: individual, business representative, and tax professional. Each type must be registered for separately, but you can have more than one type of account. For example, you can register as an individual to see your personal tax information, and you can register as a tax professional to assist your clients and see their tax information. In this instance, we will select tax professional. The name you entered initially automatically populates, but you are required to provide your Social Security number and a tax professional identification number. Enter one of the following: Prepare Tax Identification Number, P10, California Certified Public Accountant Number, CPA, California State Bar Number, or Enrolled Agent Number, EA. We recommend that you register with your P10 if available. This will help ensure your power of attorney clients display on your MyFTB client list when you first log in. FTB's top priority is protecting its taxpayers' security and privacy. Since MyFTB grants access to taxpayers' confidential information, it is extremely important that you keep your MyFTB login information private. Do not share your username or password with anyone, even other staff members that may be assisting in tax preparation or account resolution for your clients. If FTB is notified that unauthorized access has occurred, your account will be deactivated per our terms and conditions. MyFTB uses multi-factor authentication to help keep your account secure. A single phone number is required at registration, though an additional number can be added once the account is active. This number will receive a call or text with a code to verify you each time you log in, unless the Remember Me option has been selected. Once you receive the verification code, enter it to continue to the next screen. If you do not receive a call or text, then click the button to send a new code. You can always select Cancel to go back and enter a different phone number if needed. Review and select the activation option you would like. Selecting Activate Your Account Now requires you to answer additional security questions. Once your answers have been verified by TransUnion, you will receive immediate access to your MyFTB account, and any POA clients you have already established should display on your client list. Selecting Mail a PIN letter will halt the registration process and mail you a letter which you should receive within 5 to 7 business days. This letter will contain a unique activation personal identification number, PIN. This PIN is a single-use code that you will need to enter MyFTB within 21 days of the issue date of the letter to complete the activation process. This option is required if you have never lived in the United States. For this video, we will select the Activate Now option. This requires you to authorize FTB to disclose some of your personal information to TransUnion to match against your consumer report profile. Much of the required information on this screen will pre-populate from the information you entered previously. If you need to update any fields to assist in verifying your identity, you may do so here. For example, if you previously listed your first name as Jim, but your legal name is James, you should update the first name field to reflect your legal name. Continue to add or update the required information as needed. Email, birth date, and phone number are required. Enter your current address. If you reside out of the country, enter your last U.S. address. And finally, check the box to electronically sign and authorize FTB to use the information you provided. You will be directed to answer several personal questions. You only have approximately 15 minutes to complete all questions and submit the form. Once your answers are submitted, if any of your answers did not match, then you will receive a message advising you that a PIN letter will be mailed to you to activate your account. If all the questions were answered correctly, you will receive an email with a link to activate your account and complete the registration process. Congratulations, you have successfully created a MyFTB account. If you registered with your PTIN, you should already have access to your existing POA and TIA clients. If you registered with a CPA, BAR, or EA number, please contact the Tax Practitioner Hotline at 916-845-7057 to gain access to your POA and TIA clients online. To learn more about MyFTB, how to log in, get help, and stay up to date on changes, go to www.ftb.ca.gov and select the MyFTB account link at the top of the page. Select Login to access your account. To learn more about what features are currently available to you in MyFTB, select Features. Or to learn about newly added or updated features, select What's New. For help with MyFTB, visit our website and click Help after selecting MyFTB account. Or contact us at 1-800-353-9032. For calls originating outside the U.S., call 916-845-2829. Weekdays 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time, except for state holidays. For general assistance, contact us at 1-800-852-5711. For calls originating outside the U.S., call 916-845-6500. Weekdays 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Time, except for state holidays.